bago. Time to checkmate.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Smart Araneta Coliseum. 2025 season All Filipino Conference of the Premier Volleyball League, the heart of volleyball. This is the last match of the semifinal round, the battle for survival of this round-robin series to determine who gets to play the Petrogas Angels for the gold. For match number 93, it features both teams that must win today. Our Chocomucho Flying Titans and our challengers, our defending champions, our Green Line. Presenting our international officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Adams.